to. When people get referred to me, I meet a referral. Guess what I ask the referral for? Referrals. So I'm never ever running out of people. So people, people you meet, people you get referred to, you'll never run out of people. Couple tips: add 2 to 5 new contacts to your list daily. Another tip: add 10 plus new local contacts to your list every week, in addition to your national contacts. That's a whole training in itself. Local is like the new long distance. A long time ago, most of our prospecting activities were local because we didn't have social media and Zoom. So organically, we grew our local areas because that's where we got in touch with people. Today, it's in reverse. Today, we're meeting people all over the nation. And so we actually have to be intentional about growing our local list of contacts so we can invite people to our local events. And so that's another tip, is to add 10 new local contacts to your list every week. Just set that as a good goal. All right.